I'm here with the Dyson DC65. I'm going to do another floor mat test. This is a floor mat for my brother's car, and as you can see there's a big stain on it that I'm going to clean with the Hoover Dual Power. So, to turn it on, you just hit that button. And there it goes. You can see it vibrating all the dirt. All that orange. It had a clean bin before. I vacuumed it out with the rainbow. This is the direction that pulls up the carpet pile. And you can see the adjustable head, how it adjusts the carpet. Okay, so I think we're just about done. So as you can see, that's all the debris that the Dyson has pulled out of this floor mat. You can see that's a lot of sand and hair. There's pet hair in there. So, stay tuned and I will be cleaning this with the Hoover Dual Power Max, so keep an eye out for that. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.